Hi, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Manny.
I know that this year has been challenging for everyone, but I'm very hopeful that better times are ahead. Now, in our family, we did have a very blessed event this year. We had the birth of our first grandchild. His name is Parker. He's just a few months old, and we just can't get enough of him.
And we also added this guy. His name is Scotty. He's a miniature schnauzer. He was born in Enterprise, Utah. Therefore, I named him Scotty after the engineer on the Enterprise Star Trek show. Hey, I'm an engineer. What do you expect?
But you have probably noticed that our videos have a more professional look over the last few months. And that's because my daughter Maria and her very creative husband Jamie have been helping me behind the scenes. They have encouraged me to go from a one-camera operation to a two-camera operation, which sometimes I get a little confused as to what camera to look at. My daughter stands behind the one camera I need to look at and points like this. This year, YouTube presented us with our 100,000 subscriber plaque, which was a wonderful accomplishment, and it was a lot of work getting there. So we were really thrilled to receive this plaque. But we couldn't have done it without you, the viewers. Thank you for your very positive comments, your viewer suggestions, and all of your encouragement. And by the way, keep those suggestions coming. So stay safe, everyone, and have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.